This video will demonstrate how to register and configure the GSX EDS file for Ethernet IP communication. For this example, I've created a project in Rockwell Automation Studio 5000 Logix Designer and will be connected to a compact Logix PLC. To start, begin by opening Tools and selecting the EDS Hardware Installation tool. When the device wizard appears, select Next. Select Next again, and then browse to the location of the EDS file. The GSX EDS file can be found in the USB flash drive included with the GSX system. Double-click on the EDS file. Select Next for all options. Select Finish to complete. The EDS file is now registered. Next, in the controller organizer tree, point to the Ethernet icon. Right-click on the icon and select New Module. In the Select Module Type screen, uncheck Module Type Vendor Filters and check the Branson Ultrasonics box. The GSX module will show in the Module Catalog options. Double-click on it. The New Module dialog box will appear. Enter a name and an IP address. The Ethernet IP address and configuration is located and can be changed in the HMI system data screen. The default setting is 192.168.0.100. The RPI setting is located in the Connection tab screen. The default setting is 20 milliseconds, but can be changed to a shorter time if needed. Select OK and Close. The GSX input and output tags with their descriptions are now part of the project's controller tags. This completes the GSX EDS registration and configuration. The next video will demonstrate how to use the GSX tags in a basic weld program.